All right, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the CMF Neckband Pro Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds, or the CMF Neckband Pro necklace style Bluetooth earbuds. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to take everyone through the overall fit with the earbuds, and then I'm going to talk about how I feel the earbuds fit, and I'm going to give you guys and gals my opinions on the overall sound quality, the overall volume, and the overall bass. And then I'm going to give y'all two audio sample tests to the best of my ability. The first one is going to be a leakage test, and the second one is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. So without further ado, I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and let's begin. So starting off with the overall fit here, and I'll have the B-roll close-up of the Neckband Pro thrown up in post so y'all get a really good overall look of the earbuds themselves. But talking about the overall fit here, I have to say the overall fit on these is top notch. Now, for reference, I went out and I got some third-party memory foam ear tips from Sonic Phone, and that's how I was actually able to get the best overall fit with these earbuds. Now, for reference, I actually got the medium tips, and I got a set of small, medium, and large tips. And for the Neckband Pro, I found that the medium Sonic Foam memory foam tips actually fit the best, and that's what I have on. That's what I've had on since I've got them, since I got the earbuds. So, and I gotta tell y'all, in terms of the fit, as you can see, it's pretty much perfect. I got a solid overall fit, and these earbuds are not moving anywhere. Okay, and I've taken them to the gym. I've went very vigorous in the gym, and I haven't had any issues again. So the overall fit, especially with these third-party memory foam tips, is top notch. Now, talking about the fit with the original first party earbud tips, I just have to say they were really good. Now, if I didn't do too much moving around, they were all right. But the minute I started to do anything vigorous, okay, then I noticed that the earbuds tended to move around quite a lot. Even with my custom tips that I had, they still tended to move around quite a lot. So this is why I went out and got the third party memory foam tips from Sonic Phone, and that's how I got the best overall fit. Now, giving y'all a close-up of the fitting here, y'all can see from my front profile, this is how they fit. Very discreet. Now, you can notice that I have earbuds in my ears because we got this long cable, and then they do stick out my ears quite a bit. But from the front, this is not bad. Now, turning to my left, giving you guys and gals a shot of the right earbud. Again, not bad. And overall, I have a super solid fit right here. Okay? Now, turning to my right, giving you guys and gals a shot of the left earbud. Again, same as with the right, I have a super solid fit. No issues here. Okay? Okay, so that goes over the fitting demonstration. And again, the overall fit on these is really, really good. Top notch with the third party tips. Really good with the first party tips. Good stuff here indeed. And in terms of the overall comfort with these earbuds, I would have to say it's top notch. Now, I did go against what I said I was going to do, and I did use these while sleeping, and I was very nervous, but they still stood the test of time, even though I fell asleep with them on, and I'm a really bad sleeper. So the overall comfort level on these is really good to top notch, depending on the tips that you use. Okay? Now, let's get into the first of two sound sample tests. And for reference here, I'm going to have all the relevant B-roll thrown up in post. But I am using my Pixel 6a here today. Okay? And we're using a good friend of mine. We're using Two Phones Music from his SoundCloud. I'll link up all his information down below. So if you enjoy the music that you guys and gals hear in this featured video here today, check him out, give him a follow, let him know Eric Drummond sent y'all over there. It is what it is. Thank you, bro, for letting me use your music in my video. But let's get into the first test here. So we're going to turn up the volume to 100%. Right there. And again, I'll have the B-roll thrown up in post so you guys and gals can see everything. And we're going to push play. And I'm going to just let y'all hear if there's any leakage coming off of the earbuds. All right. Now, for reference, y'all can see my professional wireless microphone, and it's less than a foot away from my mouth. And y'all can see it's less than a foot away from the earbuds as well. So any leakage coming off of the earbuds should easily be able to get picked up by my professional wireless microphone. All right, so referencing done. Let's go ahead and push play now. Let's go. Okay. All right now. Okay, okay. All right, let's stop it here. Okay. Now, real quickly before I give y'all the last audio test, which is a sound sample to the best of my ability, let me just restart the track first of all. So let's restart the track here, put it back to 0 for the sound sample test. But before we get into this last audio test, I want to give y'all my overall thoughts and opinions on the overall sound quality, the overall volume, and the overall bass of these earbuds. Now, in terms of the overall sound quality, I have to say it is really good. Now, I did notice in my time with the earbuds and some testing that there is a little bit of distortion on the low and the high ends of the volume spectrum. So that is what stopped me from saying the sound quality on these is top notch. I noticed a little bit of that distortion, regardless of what I was listening to. Okay. So the overall sound quality on these is just really good. Now, talking about the overall volume on these earbuds, the volume on these is top notch, okay? And especially when you turn on the sound cancellation, it gets even better. But the overall volume on these, top notch in regards to the volume. I could easily drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in whatever I'm doing with these earbuds. And that's helped even further along with the third-party Sonic Foam memory foam earbud tips, because the Sonic Foam memory foam earbud tips also help to further isolate and drive the sound directly where you want it, which is directly into your ears. So really, really good stuff there. And the overall sound quality on these, as I said, is top notch indeed. Now, talking about the all-important bass, and as I always reference, I am not an audio professional. I'm not a professional by any means. I'm just a tech junkie and a lover of all things bass, okay? And at least to me, I would have to say the bass on these is just really good. Now, for reference, I've used these in the custom profile, but they do also have an ultra bass profile, and the ultra bass profile does boost the bass a little bit, and it is noticeable. But in my experience, the custom profile provided me the best overall listening experience. But I would have to say the bass on these is just really good. It's missing a little bit of punch and a little bit of grit, especially when that bass hits. And coming from something like these right here, the Buds Pro 2, which the bass on these is top notch, and even coming from something like the Buds Pro 1, which the bass on those were really good as well, I can definitely notice the downgrade in bass on these. Okay, this is why I say the overall bass on these earbuds is just really good. All right, so across the board, and I'll be sure to reiterate this in my full review, the overall sound quality, the overall bass, and the overall volume of these earbuds is just really good. Okay, now let's get into the final part of this video. Let me give y'all a sound sample to the best of my ability. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and push play, and then I'm going to hold up the earbuds to my microphone and give y'all a sound sample. Here we go. Pulling out one, pulling out two. Okay, and let's pull them up. And we'll just hold it here for about a minute, starting now. Okay, 10 more seconds. And time. Okay, let's go ahead and pause this. Or we can just close it, turn it off. And that, guys and gals, basically does it for today's video. So once again, this was a fit and sound demo with the CMF Neckband Pro truly wireless or necklace style earbuds. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see any more coverage on the other CMF products that I've brought here to the channel, all of my favorite CMF coverage on the CMF products that I brought on the channel will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So y'all can see any more of the extended coverage on all the other CMF products that I've brought to the channel, linked up down below in the video description. As well as, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, all the affiliate buy links for the earbuds, the phone, the watch, and all of the CMF products that I've covered on the channel will be linked up down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, those will be affiliate links, meaning that if you guys and gals make your purchase using those links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. That being said, all that extended coverage will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So that makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals as well. Recording the video here today, we have a combination of devices. Now, all of the B-roll for today's video was recorded with the CMF Phone 1 in 4K at 30 FPS, and then all of the main camera footage was recorded with the front-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Okay, I will downsample this video to 1080p just for time and space-saving purposes, but I just wanted to let everyone know this video was recorded with a combination of 1080p and 4K video clips, okay? Just so y'all can get an idea of the camera performance from the CMF Phone 1, all right? I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.